Howdy out there, YouTubers. Roger back with you from Gateway Cycles in Mount Sterling, Kentucky. And I've got a new bike to show you today. This is a 2019 Ninja 400 ABS in pearl gray and dark metallic gray. We got some green accents on it as well. Let's do a quick walk around on this machine here. We've done a few upgrades. First one here is going to be a Yoshimura undertail kit. Cleans up the back end of the bike real nice. Along with that, we have Kawasaki rear seat cowl and solo seat conversion kit. Down here we got a Two Brothers slip-on exhaust. Great graphics on the side, see if you guys can see that there. And we have a zero gravity windscreen on it as well. And let's check out that Two Brothers exhaust real quick, guys. Nice exhaust note from that Two Brothers exhaust. Guys, come on down here to Gateway Cycles in beautiful Mount Sterling, Kentucky, and check out this machine and our full lineup you can see there in the back. Or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. And you can visit us on Facebook at Gateway Cycles. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Let us know we like the videos, and we'll try to get more out to you. Thanks for watching, guys.